Hero Cycles unveiled a very interesting electric bicycle from the Electro range, the Easy Step Folding Bike. Yes, as the name suggests, this can be folded with great ease even before you can say zip zap zoom. It's built on an alloy frame, can be folded, and has a 7-speed gear. The bike has an inbuilt battery and LED display on handlebar, and the bike is throttle assisted. This e-cycle can achieve a top speed of 25 km per hour and has a maximum power of 250 watts. On a single charge, this can do around 35 to 40 kilometers, and the charging time typically is around 4 hours to 4.5 hours. So in case you want an electric bike and you want to store it in a tiny corner of your room, this folding bike is the best bet.